What's up guys, I'm going to be doing a fun makeup tutorial, something easy, something beginner friendly, something easy to create for you guys. So if this is what you are interested in, please keep on watching and don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. So guys, I'm not going to prime my lid. I'm just going to be going ahead to set it with a setting powder. I'm going to be making use of colored eyeliner, and this is from Usha's. I'm going to keep my eyes open to create this look. If you have a hooded eyelid, you want to keep your eyes open so you will know where to put it, as opposed to when your eyes are closed. After drawing out the eyeshadow, you might get trapped into the folds on your lid. So I want to look straight and know exactly where I want it to be. I'm looking straight, so I already know this is where I want it to be. Going to go ahead, I'll take off excess at the back of my hand and I'll just sketch out how I want it to be. So I'm just going to go in and fill it. It's as simple as ABC, guys, and this is all you need to do if you want to go for something really fun on your lid. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'm going to finish up with my look and I'll show you the finished look.